To simplify this integral, we can start by expressing the numerator's x value as 1 plus x minus 1. Next, we can divide this 1 plus x minus 1 value from the denominator value 1 plus x perfect squared separately. This gives us 1 over 1 plus x minus 1 over 1 plus x perfect squared. Then we can multiply these fractions by the numerator value e to the power of x. After that, we can consider the integral sign separately and use the integration by parts method to simplify the first fraction value. If we can build a positive value of the second integral, we can cancel out both that integral. Okay, let's start the integration. Simple x value we can write as 1 plus x minus 1. After that, we can multiply 1 plus x value from e to the power of x and 1 value from e to the power of x. Then we can get the result 1 plus x into e to the power of x minus e to the power of x. We can divide numerator values from denominator value separately. Then we have 1 plus x into e to the power of x over 1 plus x perfect squared minus e to the power of x over 1 plus x perfect square. Then we can cancel out denominator value perfect square for numerator value 1 plus x. After that, we can get integral sign separately. Now we have integral e to the power of x over 1 plus x and integral e to the power of x over 1 plus x perfect square. To simplify first integral, we can use integration by parts method. In this integral, we can give priority for e to the power of x. So we can write e to the power of x integration as e to the power of x. 1 over 1 plus x value we can write as it is. Now minus integral e to the power of x into differentiation of the 1 over 1 plus x. Differentiation of the 1 over 1 plus x we can write as denominator value 1 plus x into differentiation of the numerator 0 minus numerator value 1 into differentiation of the denominator value 0 plus 1 over denominator value perfect squared. Denominator value perfect squared is 1 plus x perfect square. Now we have integral e to the power of x into minus 1 over 1 plus x perfect squared. In the numerator value minus 1 is a constant, so we can bring minus 1 outside of the integral. Minus into minus 1 value we can consider as plus 1. Then we have e to the power of x over 1 plus x plus integral e to the power of x over 1 plus x perfect squared. Now we can cancel out integral e to the power of x over 1 plus x perfect squared value for integral e to the power of x over 1 plus x perfect squared negative value. So we can get the final answer as e to the power of x over 1 plus x.